Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Abdullah Nobo. My roll number is 125. Today I'm gonna talk about pivot table. Well, it gives us a basic summary of a huge data. We have the basic data here. Let me zoom in it. Then we're gonna do the pivot table from this data. First, select all the cells, then go to insert. Here have our pivot table. Yes, the table range is automatic selected at as I we were selected it before. Now we want the output in the existing worksheet. That's why existing worksheet location I'm selecting like here, and then press the OK. Yes, we have this interface. Here our options. The value for value we want sales in million, and browser, sales agent, division, and month. Yeah, that's all. Here we can see that it has a summary of those. We can minus it. Yes, is, yeah. That's how it's happening. As we can see that Mr. A is from Dhaka. B, yeah, those are the salesperson. A, B, all the staffs, and yeah, yeah, that's how it's working. As here I have only the salesperson and the values that they are doing, and the grand total is here. If we want to see the details, then press the plus bar. A in Dhaka it was 45, and another is 45. That's all here. Then we have our if function. Well, lots of basics calculations depends on if function, as we see there that here have our sales and commissions. The sales below 20,000 is 5%, and up to 20% is 7%. Here have a lots of salespersons their sales rate. Now we're gonna calculate the commission. Here I do it before, but again I'm going to do it here. The commission, yeah, it's here. To calculate the commission, we gonna use if function. If we have here two functions, that the sales is less than or equal 20,000, less than or equal 20,000. Our logic is over. Now if the value is true, if the value is true, then the sales should to be multiplied by 5%. And if the value is false, now a comma, if the value is false, the sales amount is going to be multiplied by 7%. And that's all. Answer. Yes, we can see that it's 75, and as we want it for further, we gonna freeze the staffs upper B7. Yeah, that's all. Now we will double tap here. Yeah, why it's not working? Yeah, just like that. Yes, it's happened. And those all are same. Now we have a big calculation of if function, that is tax. To calculate the tax, here have the tax levels, the client names, taxable income, and the income tax. We're gonna calculate now the income tax. So I'm gonna delete the stuffs. Let's zoom it. Yes, here in income tax, we're gonna write the formula using if and for this. If logic test, if the income of Hamid is less than or equal this, then this amount should to be multiplied, sorry, to be multiplied by 0% if the value is true. Now if the value is false, we have a lots of options, so we're gonna write if again. And now we have two logics that the income must be up to 3,50,000 and below 4,50,000. So that's why we are going to use and here. And yes, select the function. Now the logic one. Logic one is this one is greater than 3,50,000 and this one is less than or equal 4,50,000. Yes, that's the thing. Now bracket each comma if the value is true. If the value is true, it is going to be the incomable tax minus the 3,50,000 and well here using a bracket is more appropriate that this one minus 3,50,000 bracket is over multiplied by 5%. Yeah, if the value is false. If the value is false, we again have two options. So if select the if and again we gonna select and yes. Now our two logics is that this income must be greater than 4,50,000 and this income must be less than or equal 7,50,000. Yeah, those two was our equation. Now if the value is true, if the value is true, then we gonna do that 5,000 plus use a bracket the incomable income minus 4,50,000 over the bracket multiply by 10%. That's all. And again, if the value is false, if as here have also two logics, so and logic one is one greater than 7,50,000 and this one less than or equal 11,20,000. Yeah, this okay. Now if the value is true, if the value is true, then 5,000 plus 30,000 plus incomable income minus 7,50,000 multiply by 15%. Yeah. And again, if the value is false, we have two logics. If and then the first logic is this one greater than this one. Sorry. One logic 2 is this one less than or equal 16,15,000. Yeah, logic is over. If the value is true, then 5,000 plus 30,000 plus 60,000 plus bracket this one minus 11,50,000 bracket multiply by 20%. Again, if the value is true, it's going to be if. Yes, that was our last. So here only if is required. If this one greater than only greater than 6,50,000. Then if the value is true, 5,000 plus 30,000 plus 60,000 plus 10,000 plus 10,000, then plus multiply by uh, incomeable taxable income minus 16 lakh 50,000, sorry, oh I have a dash, minus 16 lakh 50,000 into 25%. Yeah, that's all. Now we need to finish all the brackets that we have used and enter. Yeah, we did it perfectly. Now as here have a lots of option, we're gonna freeze all the stuffs apart each tree, the taxable income, because it's going to be varied. So freeze A3, C3, A3, A4, A3, C4, A4, A5, D4, A4, C5, A5, A6, D4. Well, that's too much time consuming. A5, C6, A6, A7, D4, D5, D6, A6, C7, A8, D8, D5, D6, D7, A8, C8. Yeah, we all done. Enter. So now we just doing the things, drag the, yeah, that's all. It was our text. Now it's all for today. Thank you.